Make $15 over and over again online with this three simple steps. So if you're looking for a way to make some money online and for some reason you've been searching all over the internet and you cannot find a way. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $15 over and over again. Here's the good thing about this. It is absolutely free. You do not need any money for you to sign up and do anything. However, this method is going to require some of your time. So if you don't have time, definitely this is not something for you. But if you do have some time, and when I say if you don't have time, it's not something for you, I mean that if you're not willing to put the work in, and if you're not willing to go the extra mile to make it work, it will not work. And most people, they'll start something today and next week they will give up on it. But for the people that take this seriously and the ones that put this to work, will indeed get the result. So you can make $15 over and over again, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So if it's your first time here to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. Check out AndreMillerOnline.com. I'll send you over my #1 recommendation. But as you can see right here, I've created tons of videos over and over again. So if this is your first time stumbling on this brand new channel, yes, I create videos all the time unless I'm on vacation. All right. So make sure you subscribe so that way you're going to be the first one to know and you will get the first notification as soon as I come out with brand new information for you. So I don't want to waste too much of your time. We're going to jump into things. So where we're going to go, we're going to head on over to Instagram. Many people are sleeping on Instagram, and you can instantly go sign up with Instagram and you can crush it, because guess what? This is what people want to see. People are living through photos and videos. That's a good thing with Instagram. Now, I'm not telling you you're going to take pictures and you're going to put your picture or create a video. What I'm going to show you is how to use someone else's video, but give them credit for it, and you can use it and make a lot of money with it. Now, the three simple steps that we're going to be using is the first thing that is we're going to go into the food industry, food network, food porn, food channel, food hashtag, recipes, all that type of stuff. So I just hashtag cooking. And of course, you need an Instagram account. That's a first step that you need, is you need to create an Instagram account. So you can create an Instagram account, preferably use a Gmail email, so that way you can put out that authentication on it, so that way you can make sure that should someone try to take away your account, you can get notified. But make sure you sign up for it. And what we're going to do, we're going to find viral videos. So we'll find videos that are already going viral, or we'll find content that already look good that's in the search engine. Or some of them don't have to go viral, but you can look at them and you can find something that goes viral. So you always hover and see how many views that they're getting, how many likes these videos are getting, and what you could do to start off, because some of these videos, they have hashtags, but they're not using it as effectively. Most people don't, especially in the food area, they don't really know what they're doing. They just grab a video, they put it up. If it goes viral, it goes viral. Like this video right here is at 849 views and 0 comments. So people are watching it, but they're not commenting. Like this, 11,000K, no comments. This one, 149, 31 comments. So you see some of the videos that are going like this one. This looks good. So I'm gonna play this video for you real quick. Oh my goodness, what is going on? This looks like it's a wine can chicken recipe. Yeah. All right. So they're given the information here. As you can see, they're adding value and people are commenting. So the reason why this is going to be a quick little setup is, first you create an Instagram account. When you create an Instagram account, you want to go search for viral content. Now you can go to cooking, you'll go to recipe, and over on recipe, you see all this stuff. Look at this, 100K views. Like people are loving this, right? 12K views. This one is 68K views. So you could take these videos, but you want to make sure that you give them credit for it. Ensure you give credit by reposting it. So if you're going to repost it, you also want to make sure you put rights for a cooked cat underscore, and you can even take this recipe as well. Now, the reason why I'm going with this, because you need absolutely no money once this is going. The next thing you want to do, you want to head over to ClickBank. And with ClickBank, they have tons of different products. Now, with the products that are here, all you got to do, you just come on to cook and food. Now, this is cookbooks. So we definitely want to go advertise for cookbooks. These are cookbooks. Like this one right here, this is a cookbook. This one right here, restaurant dishes at home. So you can make $15. All you got to do is just click on here. Once you grab your link, you generate the link. After you create this link, the next thing you want to do, you want to put it into your Instagram account. For example, if you look at this right here, I can guarantee you that they have a link. See, right down here, watch video. So they're probably directing it back to their YouTube channel. They have a Facebook page, so they have a YouTube. So I can sure that they're monetizing everything. Now, there's tons of videos already on Instagram, but you can also head on over to YouTube and you can find, let's say, 1 minute food video. Now, if you go over to 1 minute food video, I'm sure you're gonna find tons and tons of videos. Like there's like 30 minutes. This is like a minute long. You could take this, you could repurpose it. Make sure you give rights to these people. Likewise here, rating 30 minutes. Likewise here, 13 seconds, 1 minute. So you can find these and you could take them and you can repurpose these content and you can put them onto your Instagram account. Now, once you have that going, and every time you post a video or a picture, you can always tell people, hey, if you want to learn more about some of these fine recipes that we have inside of this cookbook, feel free to click on it. And if you want to do your research and you want to check it out to see exactly what the cookbook look like, you can click on here and you can see all the different recipes that they're posting on here, right? And let me go back here. This one, yeah, so this is indeed a cookbook. This is a cookbook as well. All right, so as you can see right here, the videos are displaying and people can just sign up for these cookbooks. And once they sign up for it, that's how you're gonna get paid. So it doesn't cost you any money. All it does is cost you some time. And once you can put some time in, post videos, make sure you give rights to these people because you can always repost these clips as long as you put the hashtag handle. And then once your Instagram account start going, people are going to be clicking on it. And if you're going to be aggressive with a brand new account, I advise you post at least 6 times a day, not back to back, but like spread it out. Make sure you spread it out. Use the proper hashtags. You can use up to 30 different hashtags and try to find the low hashtags that like 30,000, 50,000. Don't try to go for the ones that are like 100,000 because you're not going to rank. So I hope this video helped. I didn't want to make it too long, but it's a great way you can start and you can earn $15 over and over again. So make $15 with these 3 simple methods. First, you need to sign up for ClickBank. 2, get an Instagram account. 3, you're going to post consistent content over and over again. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy that video. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.